Yeah, yesterday we are discussing about the creation of the chart of accounts, and we are already see that how we are create the chart of accounts using the functional setup manager. Today we are move forward to the how to create the primary ledger. Before creating the primary ledger, I want to show you the how we are navigating that, how we create the configuration using the different sets tasks. This is the functional setup manager. Using this, you can from navigation. I will come here. There are three search options for creating the configurations. First, we navigate from the setup and maintenance task. This we can call it as a FSM page or functional setup manager. From here, you need to search for the tasks or search for the configurations what you want. And one more search page is there. From here, this is the task icon. Click on this. Here also one search icon is there. From here, you need to create the configuration. This search icon, we can call it as a global search page. In this search option, you will create 180% of the setups only, but you are able to see the setups, but you are not able to create the sum of the 20% of the setups. Under the FSM page, you are able to access the all the setups. It's like called as a 100% access for that. And one more option is for that, you need to create the under the manage implementation projects. We are already created the Axis implementation project. Actually, because of the Oracle schedule maintenance, what are the setups we have created till the date, all are gone. So for resolving that issue, we need to create from the scratch again. Uh, no need to create manually. We need to create using the rapid implementation sheet. From here also, you need to navigate the different tasks. From tasks, today I will show you the how to create the tasks using the rapid implementation sheet. Yesterday we are created the these chart of accounts or creation of value set, creation of chart of accounts. These 9 steps we are created using manually. But today I will show you the how to create the these chart of accounts through rapid implementation sheet. Actually, rapid implementation sheet is a if you understand this rapid implementation sheet, it's too much time. But I am dividing this part into two parts. For under the you just coming to that global search page. Under the global search page, you can just search for the rapid. Under the rapid, you are able to see that different tasks are there. Our main target is financials. So click on this define common financial configuration for rapid implementation. Under this, you are able to our target is create the chart of accounts. I have already prepared the spreadsheet. I don't want to upload it again. So I want to upload the chart of accounts. So click on, I'm taking this task, upload the chart of accounts. Okay. Here I need to provide the our chart of accounts file. Yeah, I have a chart of accounts file in the name of Shri Group. The chart of accounts file, it consists of actually we are created using the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is generated two CSV files, two CSV zip files. So one is chart of accounts zip file and another one is financial common entities. uh, if I later sessions I will discuss about this financial common entity session. Today our main target is to create the chart of accounts using this CSV file. So click on chart of account zip and open. The file is loaded here. Just click on submit. And one schedule process is running in background. So copy the schedule process number. So paste it here for our identification purpose. So click on OK. Then we'll directly navigate to the monitor process page. See, the process is running, not running currently. Yeah, click on refresh here. See, upload enterprise structure and hierarchies. The process is running. So this process will take around 5 to 10 minutes. I don't want to waste your time. In the meanwhile, we will discuss some case studies and how to create the primary ledger. నేను రూమ్ లో ఉన్నాను, కొంచెం క్లాస్ లో బిజీగా ఉన్నాను, క్లాస్ ఇస్తున్నాను స్టూడెంట్స్. నేను ఒక 1 hour లో చేస్తాను. హలో. So we'll navigate to this Excel page. For creating the primary ledger, we generally need 4 elements, 4 C's. What are the 4 C's? The 4 C's are calendar, currency, chart of accounts, and accounting conventional methods. See, here I am highlighting the C only here because accounting method, the C is no C is there. I am taking the after the A, I am taking C is here. So this is there. Here originally we are creating the calendar. We are creating the chart of accounts. We are not creating any currency and accounting conventional methods. But for creation of the primary ledger, we are selecting the calendar, currency, and chart of accounts and accounting method. If someone asks me about that, can you tell me the definition of the primary ledger? I can say simply that by selecting calendar, currency, and chart of accounts and accounting methods, you need to mention as selecting. By selecting calendar, currency, chart of accounts, and accounting methods, you need to mention that. For by selecting only, we can create the primary ledger. Okay. And for creating, we'll take some case studies. I will tell you one statement here. The statement is that a separate primary ledger should be created for each country. If you are creating a primary ledger for, if you are implementing a project for the USA, then the primary ledger, how many primary ledgers you need to be created? One primary ledger. For every country, you need to create one primary ledger. That is the statement. You need to understand that. For this statement, we have some exceptions. We will discuss all those exceptions here. In this case one, we are implementing the solution for the USA, implementation solution. For USA, the calendar they are followed is January to December. Okay. Calendar they are followed January to December. The currency they are followed USD. Generally, we are for each country we are creating one chart of accounts. So accounting method also same, one accounting method. So how many primary ledgers we need to create here? Only here only one primary ledger. Okay. Coming to the case 2. Under the case 2, we are implementing the Oracle solution or implementation solution for the two countries, USA and India. USA, they are following one calendar, that is calendar year January to December. In India, they are following a fiscal year. So, so April to March. So this is the reason we are creating two calendars here. The currency is also different, USD and INR. But they are following only one chart of account for two countries. But accounting methods, it may one accounting method or two accounting method. Here, how many ledgers we need to create here? As per the statement, for every country, we need to create one primary ledger. As per the statement, we need to create here two primary ledgers. Okay. And I'll move to the third case. Coming to the third case, we are implementing the Oracle solution for USA, UAE, and India also. United Arab Emirates for UAE. For USA and UAE and India, we have three calendars are there. But here we are following only two calendars. Because of that, USA and UAE, they are following only January to December only. Understand my point? For India, they are following only fiscal year calendar. So April to March. Coming to the currency, they are using three different types of currencies. What is the for UAE? The currency is AED, Arab Emirates Dirhams. Okay. For chart of accounts, they are following only one chart of account. Here, how many primary ledgers are required? As per the statement, we required only three primary ledgers only. Because of that, every country we need to create one primary ledger. Okay. I'll move to the case 4. Under the case 4, we are implementing the solution in only UAE. Under the UAE, the client wants to two primary ledgers. Our client wants to know that how many primary ledgers we need to implement it here. We need to check the company line of the business here. What is the line of the business? I want to discuss here. If you take ITC, ITC is having a multiple business lines. For example, ITC in the stationery market, it manufactures pencils, papers, and textbooks. And ITC in the service line of food processing industry, and ITC in the line of ITC hotels. But coming to this COA structure of the ITC, their COA structures are completely different. Because of that, ITC hotels, they are maintaining only 6 segments. ITC foods, they are maintaining cost of structure. Their segments only 9 segments. In this case only, where the chart of accounts are different, and the line of business are also different. In this case only, we need to maintain two primary ledgers. If it is a, we are implementing only one country also. Okay. So understand my point. You need to be very careful to understand this. Yeah, we'll take one more case. Case 5. We are implementing the solution in 10 countries, Oracle solution. So how many COAs and how many calendars and how many currencies we need to be required. Here I am already told you that for each country we need to create one primary ledger. For exception to this statement, here I will provide only one chart of accounts only. We are implementing using the one chart of account. This we can call it as a global chart of accounts, global COA. So using this global COA, we can implement in 10 countries using the global calendar or using the only one calendar. We can implement this solution. Same calendar or common calendar I can mention. But currencies are different, but our reporting is in only in USD. So common currency. So using these three, we can implement. And how many ledgers we need to create? Only one ledger here. So using this common chart of accounts and global chart of accounts. Okay. Then we are already uploaded the chart of accounts. So we can see, is it completed or not? We can see here. The upload enterprise structure and hierarchy, it's still running. Just refresh the screen again. Yeah, it's succeeded the value sets and maintain the chart of accounts and hierarchy also succeeded. Still it's running. Refresh one more again. So before going to that instance, what we are uploaded through spreadsheet, we can see here. Yeah, this is the file we have uploaded. Under the Sri group, what is there in the chart of account? We need to open here. This is the file is in XML format. Some tricky understanding this. Just focus on here. What I am saying. Here the chart of accounts. The system is generated this file. How the system is generated, we can see here. This is the chart of accounts. And the fiscal year, the starting is 1/1/2025. I gave, and the structure instance code is taking as a Sri 01 group. Okay. For company, we need to search with the, for primary balancing segment, we need to search as a company 01 Sri group. We need to search that. Okay. The value set name we need to search like a company 01 Sri group. In case of you need to search with the company value set code, it's a start with the natural account segment, account 01 Sri group. We need to check that whether the system is created or not. We need to check from the instance. Okay. Click on one more. Okay. We'll check the from the ESS job. Here two files are downloaded. Here the log file. This is the log file. The system has created the chart of accounts files. You can directly search from the instance. Click on done. Directly go to the setup and maintenance screen. From here, we need to directly navigate to the financial and reporting structure. Under the financial reporting structure, you can navigate to the manage chart of accounts value sets. Under the value set, you need to search from here directly. The value set code we see here, company 01 Sri Group. The name you need to be placed here, value set code. You can directly search here. Yeah, the system is created the company 01 Sri Group. And we just click on this and click on the manage values. What are the company system is created, we need to see here. Click on the blind search here. Then you are able to see the 01 Sri Group, Sri Group 2, Sri Group 3, and these are the values the system has created. What are the tasks rapid implementation sheet will do? We can see here. Through rapid implementation, it will do creation of the value sets and create the chart of account structure also and create the segments. What are the segments the chart of accounts is created? We can see from the there. And what are the segment one values what created? We can see from here. It will also deploy the accounting flex field. Okay. First we check the segment values and value sets. This is the task. Manage chart of account value set values. From here you need to search the account 01 Sri Group. Yeah. This is the account 01 Sri Group. Under the account 01 Sri Group, you can click on the manage values. Just click on the directly blind search. You are able to see all the list of accounts. Yesterday we have created only 4 to 5 accounts, but through rapid implementation sheet, I have created around 423 required accounts here. You are able to see all the accounts. In coming sessions, I will teach you how to upload through rapid implementation sheet. See, these are the accounts under different segments. See, the system is still loading. The oil account, gas online account, travel overseas account. These are all of the accounts I have created through rapid implementation sheet. Everyone is compulsory and mandatory to know that how to upload the chart of accounts through rapid implementation sheet. Actually, we are practicing in a refreshable instance only. This is the reason we need to update the chart of accounts through rapid implementation. Then only you can save the time. Then the system is completed the deployment or not, we need to see from the manage chart of account structure instances. See, this is the structure instance. Under the structure instance, we need to from general ledger. Click on search. See, the deployment status is still in pending because of the other users also doing the deployment. Click on the manage structures. Here we need to give the name. Yeah, the system has created the structure. we need to wait some more time to complete this process. Before that, without wasting of our time, whether the process is completed or not, we need to see from here. See, once the process is completed, then only the deployment is will be completed. Otherwise, you can't proceed further. Yeah, the deployment is in still warning stage. Okay, we can search from coming to the setup and maintenance, and our target is to create the primary ledger. How to create the primary ledger? Coming to the under the FSM page, you can navigate to the general ledger tab. Under the general ledger, you can click on the manage primary ledgers. Under the manage primary ledgers, the status of the primary ledger needs to be updated here. Then only the status will be changed to the confirm. Then only the primary ledger is completed. Otherwise, the primary ledger is not completed. Search for the our primary ledger. For completing the primary ledger, we need to run the one more process through rapid implementation sheet. But if you want to, you can do from here directly. Click on this. You can click on the manage primary ledgers. Under the manage primary ledgers, you can click on create button. Under the create button, before the starting of the class, I am saying that can you tell me about definition about the primary ledger? The primary ledger is nothing but a selecting the chart of accounts, selecting the calendar, and selecting the currency, and selecting the currency method. Here I am giving as the primary ledger name as a 01 axis. I will take the definition also same. You need to select the chart of accounts what we created. 01 Sri Group is the chart of accounts we have created, and calendar we need to create. If you want, you can use the other calendars also. Alpha also our chart of accounts, and I can use the alpha calendar here. Currency is USD. Here I want to tell you the why the USD is in top. Here the currencies are not in alphabet order, but top currencies. What are the top currencies? What are the strong currencies? Are in a order only. The US dollar is the strongest currency in the world. And one more thing, why they placed USD in the top? This is the product Oracle is developed by the US company. So this is the reason they placed the USD here. And accounting method. Under the 4Cs, we are discussing about that we are not creating any accounting method, but we are selecting the accounting method here. Generally, we are selecting there are two or three types of accounting methods are there. As per knowledge, we are saying that we have two types of accounting method, and one is accrual method and other one is cash basis method. We are generally, as a consultant, we are saying that we need to select the standard accrual only. Just click on save and close. Yeah, first I will give you the some steps here for creation of the primary ledger. For creation of primary ledger, first we need to select the forces. Select the forces. Okay. And specify ledger options. and complete the primary ledger. Primary ledger definition. Okay. These are the steps we need to follow for creation of the primary ledger. We are already completed the selection of the forces. And next option is specify ledger options. Here the task. Under the specify ledger options. If you click directly here, it will directly navigate to that already selected primary ledger. It will navigate. First, before going here, first you need to come to that scope. Under the scope, you need to select here. Click on the scope. Under the scope, you need to select your primary ledger. Click on select and add. Okay. Apply and go to task. Under this, you need to select the axis primary ledger here. We are created using the axis, 01 axis, under the Shri group, alpha, calendar, and USD, and standard accrual. Here you can directly see our status of the primary ledger in process. Once it's completed, it will change into the red. It will change into the green. Like our confirmed status. See, this one is the confirmed status. Okay. Select here and scroll down and click on save and close. Then you are able to see the required accounts here. Okay. Because of the ledger is not taken, first I will go with the alpha. Apply and go to task. Because of we are using the rapid implementation sheet, all the accounts are configured by the system automatically. The taking the accounts, this is the mandatory account, retained earnings account. What are the earnings or what are the profits are there? All the profits the company is shifted to the balance sheet. Under the balance sheet, we are see the retained earnings account. See, you can click on here. You are able to see the what are the accounts are there. See, this is the account, Alpha Financial Incorporation. So department is finance and account is a retained earnings account and intercompany is taking as a default value. These are the segments. Project I am taking as a AMC and service line. The system will be taking as a project delivery and location and future on segments. These are the segments. And general language is automatically taken by the system. It's a American English. Number of future enterable periods. It's taking as a 1 automatically. Okay. These are the mandatory accounts. The period under the period close, the mandatory accounts are retained earnings account and general language. It's we need to give manually here, but we are uploading through the rapid implementation sheet. The system is automatically deriving these accounts through the extended tagging. Click on cancel. Our next task is special ledger options are done. Complete the primary ledger. For completing the primary ledger, what is the task? For completing the primary ledger, we need to select the review and submit accounting configuration. So click on this. Once you click this, previously we are able to see the review and submit configuration, the balance cubes are not taken. Once the primary ledger status is completed, then we'll take 01 alpha as a balance cube and the status will change to the green mark. So once you complete it, you can click on the submit. One scheduled process will run automatically. This is the way we need to complete the primary ledger. Then next our priority topic is that creation of the legal entity. We are already discussed about the what is the legal entity. Legal entity. Generally, legal entity is nothing but the registration of the company. When you talk about the registration, it's always comes into existence the legal entity. Okay. Generally, how will you know the company is registered? Because of that, we can know that the company is registered or not. We can see the incorporation document of the company. Incorporation document. For your understanding, I am showing the how is the incorporation document. I will show here. This is the company incorporation document. If the company is registered in India, that those companies are regulatory under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. We can see a MCA. This is a Government of India Ministry of Corporate. This is the certificate of incorporation. Under this certificate of incorporation, you are able to see the SIN number. You can say it as a corporate identity number. This is the SIN number. This is the PAN of the concerned company. You can able to see the fourth digit of the uh, this PAN number is C. C means here the corporate. See company. It represents the company. If it is a individual person like a individual person. If you're taking us any person, the fourth digit we can make it as a P only. This is the TAN of the company. This is the way you can able to see the incorporation document. If you are sitting with the client and discussing with the client is saying that we have a we are registered in 10 countries and we are doing the business in 10 countries. Like that they are saying, first you need to see the uh, is 10 companies are registered or not. You need to ask the question. First you need to understand 10 countries. Okay. For 10 countries, how many legal entities we need to create it? For same definition, for primary legit definition, here also same will apply. For separate legal entity should be created for each country. See, a separate legal entity should be created for each country. If the company has a registered in one country, USA, you can take it as USA. Under the country, the company is dealing in doing around 20 businesses. The company is registered under USA, and in USA only the company doing 10 businesses. How many legal entities are required? Are LEs? Here, the answer is one is enough. If the company is doing 20 businesses using this one legal using the one registration, it can be possible. In the registration certificate, it says that what are the businesses the company is doing, it can mention here. Got my point? So here the one separate legal entity should be created for each country. If the client is saying that we are doing the business in 20 countries, at least we need 20 legal entities. So 1:1 we need to take in here. Okay. Here the specify ledger options. Why the Oracle is unstable the connection. I need to re-log in again. The system is not supporting currently. See. Yeah. Do you have any doubts? You can ask me now. Hello, Pujita, Ritesh, Nilima.
No doubts, Mahesh.
Okay, thank you, Pujita. Nilima, Ritesh.
No
No
doubts.
doubts.
Okay, okay. Everyone, you can practice every day. Otherwise, you can forget the topics what we have discussed. Okay. Thank you all. We'll meet on Monday. Bye.
No.